Well, hello YouTube. Bearded Guy Jeff Lawless again. We outside working on the bike now. It's had to put a tire on it. It's doing a few things to it. Getting it road ready for a buddy of mine. So I'll turn you around here and show you what we got. It's a 2007 Yamaha Roadstar 1700cc. Good looking bike. We'll see if he'll start up here. Old bike got a good sound to it. But that's what we're working on for now. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like, share, comment, hit the notification bell. You know when we put something else up. Catch you on the next one. Peace.